All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this post by Sawyer. So Tesla is doing something new. So they roll out a new rental programs where they give you all the goodies, right? Such as full self-driving and also the supercharging, which is great. And they're starting out at $60 a day, and you can up to one whole week. And after that week, if you decided to purchase a Tesla, you get $250 discount. So if you do a quick math, $60 times 7, that's $420, right? And that pretty much everything covers it, your trip. So I don't know, is it something new? And so far, they just gonna roll this out on like a select location, so not all the location will get this. So let's just do a quick, if you were to do a conventional way, like if you were to rent a car, and how much it will cost you. Think about that. Keep in mind this number is $420, right? So here we go to Hertz. I just picked Hertz, right? So, and it says right here, an average would be like for 7 days, that would be $271. So I don't know if that's going to include taxes and fees. Let's say $300. And how much does it cost from where I live to Las Vegas? So it says here one way would be about $43 to $48, and round trip would be, let's say, $100, right? So given that, it's going to be about close to about $400. So all in all, it's going to be pretty like the same, right? But the kickers here is the full self-driving. So I think what Tesla is doing is just great. They're getting their products out there. You know, one way to let people know is to advertise it, and this one, it's just great. Now it comes with it. People will drive it. People will know, will test it. I mean, like, for me, I've never thought a car would be able to drive itself, but until I actually, you know, sit in it and then believe it myself. And the fact that, you know, we know that, you know, there's Tesla is not the only companies that are doing out there with full self-driving. We got Amazon's doing one. We got Google, you know. So a lot of companies are testing, and Tesla, you know, is right there with them. So in this case, if everybody's know about the full self-driving, try it out, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna like it. They not love it at the moment, you know, but at least they get exposed to the reality and the future. As much as we hate it, but it's coming. There's right now not only full self-driving, but we have a lot of companies that are making, you know, like taxis, you know, like Archer Aviations, Joby, EH, like companies that in China, they're doing it. So the future is not too far away. Maybe give it about 2 to 3 years, you know, and it's coming. But I think this is a very good marketing strategy from Tesla. And I mean, like, if I'm gonna have like a road trip, 100% I would get a Tesla over the gas vehicle, because I don't know, maybe I'm biased because I already own a Tesla, or maybe I like Tesla, I trust Tesla, but it's just, in my opinion, I think Tesla is the way to go. EV is the future. And if you never tried one, you know, go ahead and, you know, try it out and see if you like it or not, you know. In my opinion, I think if you try it out, you will like it. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.